Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will see how you can install the Windows 11 update KB5078127 on your computer. So, let's get started. First of all, open Windows settings on your computer. Now, click on Windows Update. Here, click on Check for Updates. If you see the update KB5078127 listed here, simply click on Download and Install and wait for the installation process to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your system and internet speed. Once the update finishes installing, Windows may ask you to restart your computer. After the restart, the update will be successfully applied. Now, in case you do not see this update in Windows Update, don't worry. You can install it manually using the Microsoft Update Catalog. For this method, open any browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. The direct link is provided in the video description. On the website, search for the update name KB5078127 and then click on Search. Before downloading, it's very important to check your Windows version. So, go to the Windows search box and type WinVer, then click on the WinVer command. Here, you can see your Windows version. In my case, it is Windows 11 version 25H2. Next, you also need to check your system type. For that, open Settings, go to System, and then click on About. Here, you can see whether your system is 64-bit or ARM-based. In my case, it is a 64-bit operating system, so I need the update that matches Windows 11 version 25H2x64-based systems. If you are using Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then select the update that matches your version instead. Once you find the correct update for your system, click on the Download button. A small window will appear. Click on the update link shown there to start the download. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to install the update manually. Once the installation finishes, restart your computer. After restarting, your system will be fully updated with KB5078127 installed successfully. That's it. This is how you can easily install update KB5078127 on Windows 11, even if it doesn't show up in Windows Update. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.